has just asked me, how do you generate random words? You're running a program, you want to have words that are at random. How do you generate such random words? So in this brief video, I'll show you how to do this, and it's going to use an external library. So what I'll do is I'll generate, first of all, a new Python module. So I'll come to new Python file and I'll say generate random words. Now we want words that are truly random. So what I'll do, so now here I am, I'll put my default structure. So import sys def main, and I'm going to have return 0, and then I'm going to have my import guard name and sys main exit. Now the library we're going to use is called RandomWords, and to install RandomWords, you could go into PyCharm to the Python packages section here at the bottom and search for, so this gives you an option to search. We're searching PyPy. We're going to search for RandomWords, just one full sentence, RandomWords, and we click install. It's going to install the latest version, and we click install. So PyCharm is going to do the installation for us, and I think it is done. I think it has installed it. We can check that we have RandomWords installed. Let's just see that. Here it is. It says installed one found RandomWords. Now if you want to actually use that library, we have to import it. So here we go to import RandomWords. Now to use RandomWords, we have to instantiate or set up a number of variables. So I'm going to set up a variable called RW, which is going to be a RandomWords object. So RandomWords, as you can see, dot RandomWords. So this option now gives me the ability to create random words. And now I can create random words. So let's figure this out from the documentation. So I'm going to pull up my browser. Let me just get one of these here, and I'm going to open it to Python. So I put that into my screen, and we're going to go to the random words documentation. So it's always good to, so random word generator, but we're looking for the Python package. And here's the random words Python package on PyPy. But we want to use, so we've installed random words, and now we want to use it. So let's go to the documentation. So where is the documentation? So we click on the home page here, and it takes us to, doesn't really have the documentation, but here is the documentation. So we click on the documentation. That now takes us to a new page, and it shows us how to use it. So we create a random words object. So actually we should be calling it underscore random words. So let's go back and fix that. So this should be random words. So typically I would say from random words, import random words. So let's just see that random words. And then we shall instantiate a random words object. So now we have RW as a random words object. And now we can just generate words. So random words, random word. You can generate random word, and you can choose a number of options. So let's see random word. Random word. So we'll say random word. This is a bit confusing because here we have random word. It should be random words here, and this should be random word here. Because this is random words plural, and this is random words plural, and we are generating a random word here from our random word object. So random word object dot random word, and now we can print a random word. So if we run this, we see random word is hatchets, and we can run that multiple times, and every time we'll get a random word. Now that's a simple case. There are many options. You can choose the letter that from which the word is going to begin. So if we start, the letter is, let's say, K, and we run that again, we'll only get words which have got starting with K. So let's run that again and again and again, as you can see. Now sometimes you don't want just one word, you want multiple words. So there's a random words, which is on the RW namespace. So let's do that. So we're going to get many random words, and we're going to say random words, and we're going to specify the count. We'll say, let's say 20. We're going to print. Now it's going to be a list. So if we run that, now we get a list of many random words. So this is a really simple snippet how to use the RandomWords library. Remember, we install, I'll just put this here. You could do this literally. You would install the RandomWords library package, but you import it with RandomWords in small letters, and you import the RandomWords object. Now, the cool thing about this library, it's not confined to RandomWords. You can get random emails. You can get, I think, random places. There are many options. So let me just include this here in the URL so that you can actually see that. So that's it. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.